Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. L. Manju Bhargavi, Assistant Professor in Commerce, JFGC Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka. Today, I will be teaching corporate accounting. Under that, the topic would be redemption of preference shares from corporate accounting for BCom third semester. In this chapter, we'll see the introduction, meaning, journal entries for redemption of preference shares. The introduction to this chapter, in this chapter, the concept of redemption of preference shares at par out of divisible profits will be explained with the necessary journal entries. Meaning, preference shares will be redeemed at par and the divisible profit means the credit balance available in the company to redeem preference shares. Journal entries. If the preference shares are to be redeemed or not fully paid, we must make call and receive the money first. So let us focus on the steps for writing the journal entries. Step 1, journal entry for making the call. Preference shares calls account data to preference share capital account. And when we receive the money, journal entry for receiving the money, we debit either cash or bank account data to preference share calls account. Journal entries for call in arrears. If there is calls in arrears for receiving the arrears from the concerned shareholders, the below entry is to be made. That is, we debit bank account debtor and we credit to calls in arrears account. Step 2. Journal entries for preference capital due. If the preference shares are being redeemed at par, then the journal entry would be preference share capital account debtor to preference shareholders account debtor. Second one, if the preference shares are being redeemed at premium, preference shares capital account debtor premium on redemption of preference share capital account data to preference shareholders. And there is a note that preference shares cannot be redeemed at discount as I have discussed in the earlier chapter. Let's see the step 3, journal entries for fresh issue of shares. If fresh issues are made at par, bank account data to share capital account will be the journal entry. And the second one, if fresh issues are made at premium, bank account data to share capital account to security premium account. Step number 4, ensure if there are sufficient funds to make the redemption, which is very essential before we redeem, before we pay off the preference shareholders. We have to ensure whether we have sufficient fund with us available in the company. If there are no sufficient cash or bank balance in the company to redeem the share capital, it can dispose some of its assets or securities. If the assets is sold at book value, bank account data to concerned asset account. If the asset is sold at higher than the book value, bank account data to concerned asset account data to profit or loss account. If an asset is sold more than the book value, the profits would be credited to profit and loss account. Number 3, if the asset is sold at lower than the book value, bank account data, profit and loss account data to concerned assets account. If issues are made at discount, if fresh issue of the shares are made at discount, bank account data, discount on issue of shares account data to share capital account. Step number 5, creation of capital redemption reserve account. Usually, transfer to capital redemption reserve account will be made out of credit balance of profit and loss account. If the amount is insufficient, other divisible profits can be used for the transfer. Transfer to capital redemption reserve must be to the extent of the face value of the preference shares being redeemed. Concerned divisible profits account data to capital redemption account. And step number 6, provide for premium on redemption of preference shares. If the preference shares are redeemed at premium, That is, premium on redemption being a loss must be provided for out of securities premium and out of divisible profits. If the securities premium is insufficient, the following entry will be shown. It is security premium account data, divisible profits account data, to redemption or to premium on redemption of preference share capital account. This will be the journal entry will be. And coming to step number 7, entry for payment to preference shareholders. Now we are paying off the preference shareholders, the journal entry. Preference shareholders account data to bank account. Step number 8, issue of bonus shares out of capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve account data to bonus to equity shareholders account, and bonus to equity shareholders account data equity share capital account. So we are going to make this journal entry. There are 2 journal entries. Thank you. So this will be the end of session 12. Students will meet you in session 13. Thank you so much for your cooperation.